can be found in Southeast Asia, Australia, and India. So in Australia, they're called the sea eagle. But here in the Philippines, they're called Manong or Malawin in the Visayan region. So if familiar mo na ng eagle, so baka na ang eagle na show sa logo ni Kuya Kim na matang lawin. So that's it, our